Hi everyone. Today we are dealing with thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is a butterfly shaped gland located in the neck region inferior to larynx. Larynx is a sound box. This picture shows the structure of thyroid gland. It consists of a left and a right lobe, and this left and right lobe is connected by means of a structure called isthmus. About 50% of thyroid gland consists of pyramidal lobe. Thyroid gland mainly consists of spherical sacs called thyroid follicles, and these thyroid follicles are made up of follicular cells. These thyroid follicles secrete thyroid hormones, and between the thyroid follicles there are small cells called parafollicular cells or C cells. They also secrete hormones. Thyroid follicular cells produce two hormones. They are thyroxine or tetraiodothyronine or T4. Second one is triiodothyronine or T3. So T3 and T4 are the two hormones produced by thyroid follicular cells, and between the follicular cells there are parafollicular cells or C cells which produce the hormone calcitonin. Now, functions of thyroid hormones. Thyroid hormones normally increases the basal metabolic rate of our body. That is, it increases the rate of transcription of large numbers of genes. It increases the overall metabolic activity of cells, and it increases the number and activity of mitochondria in order to produce large amount of energy. Then it also increases the transport of ions across the cell membrane. Thyroid hormones promote the development and growth of fetal brain. Thyroid hormones stimulate carbohydrate metabolism by increasing the uptake of glucose by cells, and also increases the rate of glycolysis and gluconeogenesis and the rate of absorption from gastrointestinal tract. Thyroid hormones affect fat metabolism, and also it affects plasma and liver fats. In presence of increased amount of thyroid hormone, it decreases the concentration of cholesterol, phospholipids and triglycerides in the plasma. Thyroid hormone increases blood flow and cardiac output. It increases heart rate and heart strength. In order to maintain a normal arterial pressure, thyroid hormones can be administered. Thyroid hormones increases respiration and gastrointestinal motility. It has an excitatory effect on central nervous system. Thyroid hormone also affect the functions of muscle. In case of excess secretion of thyroid hormones, that is hyperthyroidism, muscle tremor can occur. Thyroid hormone also affect our sleep. In case of excess secretion of thyroid hormone, that is in case of hyperthyroidism, it causes a feeling of constant tiredness. Thyroid hormone also affect sexual function. In men, lack of thyroid hormone causes loss of libido. Libido means sexual desire. Lack of thyroid hormone in men causes loss of sexual desire. In women, lack of thyroid hormone causes menorrhagia. Menorrhagia means heavy menstrual cycle, and polymenorrhea. Polymenorrhea means frequent menstrual cycle. The receptor for thyroid hormone is situated inside the nucleus. So the T3 and T4 produced from the thyroid gland has to pass the cell membrane, and it reaches the nucleus to bind onto the thyroid hormone receptor. When T4 enters into the cell, it is converted into T3 by removing one iodine in presence of the enzyme iodinase. In presence of the enzyme iodinase, an iodine is removed from T4 and it is converted into T3 because this thyroid hormone receptor only binds T3. So one iodine should be removed from T4 in order to bind onto this thyroid hormone receptor. A retinoid X receptor is seen attached to this thyroid hormone receptor. So after the binding of T3 into this receptor, the response will occur. Then calcitonin. Calcitonin is a hormone produced by parafollicular cells of thyroid gland. The function of calcitonin involves it decreases the level of calcium in blood by inhibiting the action of osteoclast. Osteoclasts are seen in bone. So, calcitonin will take calcium from the blood and it deposits calcium in bone extracellular matrix. So, the main function of calcitonin is to lower the amount of calcium in our blood. From blood, it takes the calcium and phosphate and deposit it into bone extracellular matrix. There is a calcitonin derived chemical which is produced in a fish called salmon. It is called miacalcin. It is 10 times more potent than human calcitonin. It is used to treat osteoporosis, which is a disease of bone. Then parathyroid glands. This is the posterior view of thyroid gland. Parathyroid glands are located in the posterior surface of the lateral lobes of thyroid glands. And they also secrete hormone. Parathyroid glands consist of two types of cells. They are chief or principal cells and oxiphyll cells. Chief or principal cells produce parathyroid hormone. The functions of oxiphyll cells are not known. But in case of cancer of parathyroid glands, oxiphyll cells found to secrete parathyroid hormone. Functions of parathyroid hormone. It is a major regulator of calcium, magnesium and phosphate in blood. Parathyroid hormone functions just opposite to calcitonin. Calcitonin take away calcium from the blood into bone, thereby decreasing blood calcium level. But parathyroid hormone causes bone resorption. That is, it releases calcium and phosphate from bone into the blood, thereby increasing blood calcium level. So this is all about thyroid gland, its hormones, functions, parathyroid gland, its hormone and its function.